PVC. Imported. Youth soccer set. This mini soccer goal set is the perfect size for kids to play and practice their skills. Portable. These lightweight nets are easy to assemble and bring on the go to the backyard, the park, the beach, or anywhere else. Durable. The high-impact plastic and all-weather netting make these goals tough and durable to last season after season. Foldable design. Remove corner pieces to fold flat for easy transportation and storage when not in use. Ground stakes included. This set includes 8 ground stakes to keep the goals fixed in place and upright against the hardest shots. Included components: soccer goal 8 ground stakes. Top reviews from the United States. Not too shabby. Overall not bad for the price. My only thing is it comes apart very easily, I'm assuming because it's portable obviously. I bought this for my children to encourage them to get outside and get active, and they just ripped it up and carried it around. I ended up giving it to a neighbor friend of mine whose little boy absolutely adores soccer, and his parents said that he liked it a lot better than his previous set, which was a bit smaller and not as ideal.